Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by confirming your internet is working and stable. Test your download speed and aim for at least 3.5 Mbps. Next, force close the SuperVPN app and restart your device for 30 seconds. Reopen the app and try a new server location within the same country. Also confirm your account is active and paid. If your subscription shows expired, renew it and try again immediately. If connection still fails, check for software conflicts on your device. Temporarily disable firewall and antivirus for about 60 seconds while testing. Open device settings and clear SuperVPN cache and app data carefully. Reinstall the app if clearing data did not help. Within the app, switch the VPN protocol to TCP and test, then try UDP, then ICAV2. Test each protocol separately and note which. For persistent errors, reset your network settings back to defaults and wait 30 seconds before reconnecting. On desktop, flush DNS using your system command line or set DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 for testing. If you use a router, reboot it and confirm port forwarding or VPN pass-through is enabled. Collect app logs, note your device model and OS version, then contact SuperVPN support with timestamps. They can provide.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.